morning, students. I am your SST teacher Parul Tomar, and today I am going to teach you chapter 1 of your SST book, Family and its Types. And we are going to discuss different parts of the chapter, and I am going to explain it in detail. Family is the most important thing for an individual. It is regarded as the first society of human beings. Family is also significant for a child. A child depends on his family for all his needs. Different types of families are found in different cultures and places. Earlier there used to be big families consisting of many members. Since mobility was difficult in olden times, people used to live together. But with the growing changes like development in terms education and urbanization, people started moving out. Family is a universal institution, but its structure or form vary from one society to another. There are majorly two types of families: joint family and nuclear family. Now we will study about different types of families. The first is nuclear family. A family group that consists only of parents and children is called a nuclear family. A two-children family is becoming a social standard these days. This type of family has limited number of kinship. Generally, the nuclear families are found in the urban and metropolitan areas. In this type of family, there are no misunderstandings and the small family enjoys a peaceful and harmonious atmosphere. The second type of family is joint family. The joint family system has originally been a tradition of India. A large undivided family where more than one generation live together in a common house is called a joint family. Earlier there used to be big families consisting of many members. Since mobility was difficult in olden times, people used to live together, but with the growing changes like development in terms of education and urbanization, people started moving out. In a joint family, we live with lots of family members like our grandparents, uncles, aunts, their wives and husbands, cousins, and our own siblings. While in a nuclear family, mostly parents live with their one or two children. This trend is on time increase. Certainly, working parents minimize the financial stress of the family. In such families, there is division of labor between parents. They understand and cooperate with each other and assume more responsibility for childcare and housework. However, working parents ought to have cordial family atmosphere and their children should not feel any type of alienation. Now we will discuss about the birth of the sibling. The arrival of a new baby sibling brings many changes to a family. Parents spend a lot of time and energy in preparation for the little new member of the house. Even the first child is excited for the arrival of his brother or sister. A child establishes a brand new relationship with the little one. There is a lot of joy, mirth and happiness in the family. As you know kids, we all love our siblings. We love to play with them and we take care of them. So kids, you must have attended marriage of an elder cousin or young uncle or aunt in your relationship. Marriage is an occasion of joy and celebration in the family. It is a union of man and a woman who start living together after marriage. During the ceremonies of marriage, everyone is dressed up nicely and dances to express his or her joy for the newlywed couple. We all love to go marriages and enjoy there. Isn't so? You also like to go to marriages and enjoy there? As we get tasty food to eat, we meet all our relatives and get lots of love, care and of course gifts and new clothes also. So now I am going to give you an activity. As you can see, there is a tree and different pictures are stick there. There is a photo of grandfather, grandmother, parents and siblings and of course yours too. In the same way, you have to draw a tree, color it nicely and you have to paste the photograph of your family members. If you are living in a nuclear family, you can stick the photos of your parents, your brother or sister and yours. And if you are living in a joint family, you have to stick the photograph of your grandparents, your uncles and aunts, your cousins, your siblings and yours. That's all for today. Bye. So in the end, as we have already discussed the whole chapter, we are going to revise the whole chapter point wise. So now we will discuss some most important points we have come through in the chapter. The first one is a family is a group consisting of two parents and their children living together in a unit. There are two types of families, joint and nuclear. A nuclear family has parents and their one or two children. A joint family is a group of people who generally live under one roof and eat food cooked at one hearth. Two full-time working parents' families are found in the urban and metropolitan areas. Birth of a sibling brings lots of happiness and joy in a family. Marriage is a function of joyous celebration in every family. So, as you understand the chapter fully, now I'm going to give you some homework. You have to write all the points in your copy neatly, and the exercise I'll give you or I will send you on WhatsApp. You have to copy all those in your notebook neatly, and you have to WhatsApp me back all the work so that I can check it whether you have done it properly or not. Second homework is you have to make a family tree and paste pictures of your family members in it. So students, now I am going to give you some home assignments. First of all, we are going to fill some blanks with the help of help box. Few words are given in the help box: urban, institution, nuclear family, sibling. You have to fill these words in the blank spaces by using your own knowledge of the chapter. Family is the basic and universal dash. A dash has parents and their one or two children. The full-time working families are found in the dash areas. Birth of a dash brings lots of happiness in a family. Now in home assignment 2, we are going to do some matching. Match the following: grandparents, division of labor, marriage, parents and their one or two children. We have to match it with the given options: grandparents, joint family; division of labor, working parents; marriage, a colorful celebration; parents and their one or two children, nuclear family. In our last slide and home assignment number 3, we are going to discuss about some sentences. You have to write whether they are true or false. A nuclear family consists of parents, grandparents and children. A joint family includes parents, grandparents and children. Marriage is a function of joyous celebration. Working parents maximize the financial stress. You have to write all this work in a notebook neatly. Take a picture of it and you have to send me back on WhatsApp. After checking your work, I will tell you whether you need some improvement or the answers are correct or not, and I will give you correct answers also.